When trying to lose weight, you obviously, everyone knows that you have to be in a caloric deficit. If you are in a deficit, you will start losing weight. There are many diets to achieve this. This is obvious. Everyone knows about this part. However, majority of the people blame their metabolism for uh, the non-existence of their calorie deficit. For example, a person goes to a gym, runs for an hour, comes back home, eats healthy, and still doesn't lose as much as the person or the friend he sees that does nothing but is skinny naturally. Now the problem is people don't know that there is a bigger component to your BMR. Not actually to your BMR, but the calorie intake you need per day. It consists of four main components, which is your BMR, which is the basal rate, which means when you're sleeping, how many calories does your body need for sleeping? Doing nothing, just being in deep sleep or even normal sleep, not necessarily deep sleep, just being in sleep. Okay, so BMR is just the first component. The second component is actually the thermal effect from the food that you eat. When you eat a food, obviously the body needs to spend some amount of energy to digest it. Obviously, the food giving it more energy in return. Some of the foods don't have enough energy in them to return, so they actually end up having negative calories, such as celery and cucumber, maybe. So they have such low calories that for burning those or digesting those, the body spends much more calories, so it goes into a deficit by default. Okay, so that was the second component. The third component and the fourth component is something people don't know about, which is NEPA and NEAT. NEPA stands for non-exercise physical activity, which means moving around, standing, moving my hand, fidgeting, standing instead of sleeping, moving, blinking your eyes, everything, every movement that you make. NEAT stands for non-exercise activity thermogenesis. The heat that is created by physical activity, such as if you run or go for cardio, you obviously feel that your body is getting heated up. Also, in a cold climate, your body needs to produce more heat to maintain your body temperature. So these are the four components. Now the interesting part is, even though BMR stands for 60% of your daily caloric requirement, which is made up of these four components, the thermogenesis or the thermal activity needed by food is just 15%, and the rest of 25% is NEPA and NEAT. That too in a lazy person. We are not talking about an active person who's always fidgeting or walking around or running or doing something, who's particularly hyper about stuff. So these kind of people might burn up to 50% of their daily requirement via NEPA and NEAT, which is very extraordinary. If you go put it into perspective, a person needs 2000, an average person needs 2000 calories per day. If a person is hyperactive and 50% of that is NEPA and NEAT, that means 1000 calories per day is NEPA and NEAT, which is huge. Also, if you go for cardio for an hour, on an average, this is not particularly your weight or how much cardio you do. You might be doing more intense cardio or more extensive cardio, or basically more duration, or your weight might be more. But on an average, a person burns approximately 368 calories per hour of cardio. So what all of this means is basically you can blame your NEPA and NEAT instead of your metabolism. The way to increase NEPA is easy. Just stand up instead of sleeping. Just walk instead of going using public transport. NEPA can be increased very randomly, even fidgeting or moving a lot. That is the basic way to increase your NEPA. NEAT cannot be increased that easily, but it goes in line with NEPA. So if you increase your NEPA, your NEAT might also increase substantially. So yeah, thank you for this video. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Do check out our other videos.